YouTube, and welcome back to Vegans 101. I'm so glad you can join me today. Everybody loves free things, and at first when you become a vegan, you might not find anything for free. Matter of fact, the only thing you might be able to get is free air, but it doesn't have animals in it, so that's a good thing. However, I do want to let you guys know about some free information. Like I said, this channel is for beginners, and when I first began, it was a lot of things out there. I had to really search. You might not want to take all your money and just dive in and buy every single cookbook or every single magazine that you see. So this video is about places that you can go to actually get free booklets, free vegan/vegetarian starter guides that will help you on your journey, that will open up doors to lots of new information. So let's get started. The first guide that I actually want to go over is a guide I received from a website called veganoutreach.com, and I'll put it up here. Actually, veganoutreach.org. I'm sorry, but I got two booklets from veganoutreach.org. And veganoutreach.org is a non-profit company. They do help end animal cruelty. They also advocate for animals and do a lot of different things like that. But the guides are really great because they send you a guide to cruelty-free eating, and you just go on veganoutreach.org. It's totally free. But what it has in here is there are tons of information that shows you about the animals, the farming. It has a glossary because when you're new, you might not know a lot of these words that you hear starting out. It breaks down words like tofu, tempeh, seitan, what all those things are, nutritional yeast, which is really great. And it's also filled with tons of recipes. And I'm not talking about difficult recipes, things that you can actually make that are very simple. So veganoutreach.org. I love this booklet when I first started. A lot of these things they sell at Walmart, Target, but it's yours. It's free. You can order multiple copies if you want to share with someone else. So that's a good place to start. They also send you another guide which is called Compassionate Choices. And this is a really good guide that goes over all the farming practices. It lets you know why we choose the vegan options that we actually choose, in case someone asks you questions, because you're going to find out, I don't know, people think vegans, we're weird, we're some type of religion or cult, and it's nothing like that. You know, it's nothing new that people avoid meat. So there's been vegans, vegetarians for hundreds of years, long time. But this one goes into all the animals. It breaks down, you know, the more compassionate choices for you to choose when you become a vegan, and it also tells you why, the things that they have to go through, the suffering. So it's great to have this book, and it's also great to have the other book, which is a guide for the recipes and the glossary and everything like that. That's veganoutreach.org, 2 free books. So we're all about the free today. The next thing you can get for free is a vegetarian starter guide. And this vegetarian starter guide is really awesome. It's from a company called Compassion Over Killing, which is COK.net, and I'll put that link up also, COK.net. But Compassion Over Killing is a non-profit advocacy organization, and they're actually based out of Washington, D.C. So Compassion Over Killing does a lot. They actually sell clothes on their website. They have Meatless Monday ideas, things for you to try, but they go over the definitions, choices of why you should become vegan. They also have recipes and things like that. So COK.net. That's the place you can go. You can get this excellent vegetarian starter guide. It says vegetarian, but it's for vegetarians and vegans also. And like I said, it's absolutely free. Yours to keep. Now, the last place that you can go to get a free booklet, I don't have in front of me because it's the best thing of all. You can actually download it, and that's PETA.org, PETA.org. And a lot of people have known PETA has been around for a long time. They also are a nonprofit agency. PETA has a great starter guide that you can actually download, so you don't have to go out, you don't have to buy. It'll show you meal ideas, recipes, tips, things for easy swaps, low-cost items, but it also has a great link on there called Accidentally Vegan, meaning things that are already vegan that you might not have known. Like when I first became a vegan, I know my husband was so shocked when I told him Oreos are vegan. It's like awesome. Oreos are vegan, Teddy Grahams are vegan, Doritos are vegan. So I know they're not the healthiest choices. Now that's a whole nother story. But do they have animal products in them? Absolutely not. So there are tons of things that you have already that you're still able to eat and not give up. So those are some really great websites. Like I stated, all about the free today, veganoutreach.org, cok.net, and PETA.org. Those are 3 free websites that you can go to, and you can get free vegetarian starter guides / cooking booklets / information. However you want to use it, it's yours. It's totally free. So I hope you guys learned something today. Please log on to any one of those websites or all 3 of them and order your guides as soon as possible. No cost. Thank you so much for joining me today, all my new vegans. If you like the channel, please subscribe, because I love subscribes, or subscriptions as you call them. And please also leave a comment down below, anywhere down here, because I love to talk. And I'm so glad I could help you guys today. Thanks for watching, and have a blessed day.